In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up biometric login in the Bank of America mobile app. Biometric login lets you access your account quickly and securely using your face or fingerprint, so you don't have to type your password every time. Before you begin, confirm that your phone supports Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint unlock, and that it's turned on at the system level. On iPhone, check this in Settings under Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. On many Android phones, look in Settings under Security or Biometrics. If you haven't enrolled your face or fingerprints yet, add them now and make sure a device passcode or screen lock is set. For smooth recognition, enroll more than one finger if available, keep the sensor clean, and use good lighting when scanning your face. Next, open the Bank of America app and sign in as you normally do. Having the latest version of the app installed helps, so update if you see a prompt. Once you're on the sign-in screen, look for the option to set up biometrics. This may appear as a Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint button or banner. Tap it to begin. If you don't see that option on the sign-in screen, you can turn it on from within the app. Go to Profile and Settings and switch on Biometric Login. The wording can vary slightly by device, but you're looking for the toggle that enables face or fingerprint sign-in. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. You'll typically be asked to allow the app to use your device's biometric features and to confirm your choice with your passcode or existing sign-in. Grant the permission when asked, then hold your phone as you normally would for Face ID or place a registered finger on the sensor when prompted. If your device requests additional verification, complete that step to finish. That's it. With biometrics enabled, you can quickly access your account using your face or fingerprint instead of your password. If recognition doesn't work on the first try, adjust your grip, clean the sensor, or try a different enrolled finger. You can always fall back to your password if needed. For security, only enroll your own biometrics on your device. And if you ever want to turn this feature off, return to Profile and Settings and toggle Biometric Login off.